In the studio today, we have 15-year-old Lindsay Adams. Lindsay has just completed a solo bike ride from Aberdeen, Scotland to Brighton, England, in order to help the families of blind children. Lindsay, why did you decide to undertake this trip?
Well, it started because my friend, Stella, had an accident last year and lost her sight. She was only 14 then, and I saw all of the stress that it put on her family. Stella needed a lot of help, and it also takes a lot of money to provide everything a blind person needs. I just thought families like Stella's needed help.
And why a bike ride? Did that have some special meaning?
It did. Stella and I often used to go cycling together, so I thought she'd appreciate it.
You got people to promise to give money before you started out. How did you do that?
I did it partly through social media and a website I'd set up, but I also went door to door in my town, just explaining what I was doing and how people could help.
So, how long did the trip take?
It took me 2 weeks to complete the whole trip, but I did stop quite a lot. I visited hospitals and places along the way that work with blind people.
So, how much money did you raise in the end?
We raised nearly £250,000, and donations are still coming in. People's generosity is just amazing.